So let's have another look. It is moving considerably faster right now than it was yesterday. We're at Krape Park, by the way. It's Greg, today in the port. It's Wednesday, late afternoon. And the parking lot, this is the dam. We'll look at that just in a second. Saw some video. Yesterday I was here about 8:30 in the morning. I think someone else had come by in the afternoon, 1 o'clock. Water was about to the right of your screen. Like it was that far, maybe about that far. So it had risen considerably since, you know, we were all looking at this at 8:30 yesterday morning. So the Pecatonica River level, according to the National Weather Service for our area, is currently, the last reading, it was around 1 o'clock, was 13.3 feet. And moderate flooding begins around 14. But the good news is it's expected to go down by tomorrow, over the next couple of days. It's really moving right now. A shot of Yellow Creek here in Krape Park once again. So there is a flood watch in effect until midnight tonight. 2 inches possibly of rain, heavy in spots. Some ducks over there though. Actually look pretty happy. If you were to ask my opinion, look like some happy ducks. So enjoy the rest of your Wednesday evening, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Definitely appreciate every single one of you, those who are new and people who've been watching for the 3 years that I've been doing this, and you know, it means a lot, and definitely appreciate you guys tuning in and appreciate the support. So, all right, so enjoy your Wednesday evening. We'll talk to you guys later.